What caused early resistance to evolution theory? Imagine a time when the idea that species could change over time was met with suspicion and even hostility. That's what early scientists and thinkers faced when they proposed ideas about evolution. Before Charles Darwin published his theory of natural selection, most people believed that species were fixed and unchanging since creation. This idea was supported by influential scientists like Georges Cuvier, who argued that the complexity of animal bodies made gradual change impossible. Cuvier also believed the fossil record showed sudden extinctions followed by new creations, not slow evolution. Many saw this as proof that species did not change over long periods. Religion played a big role in the resistance, too. Many people believed that religious texts described species as created by a divine being exactly as they are. The idea that humans shared ancestors with other animals challenged this view. It made some feel that their place in creation was being questioned. This was seen as a threat to religious teachings and social order based on those beliefs. At the same time, ideas about evolution were linked to radical thinking from the Enlightenment. Some believed that natural laws, not divine intervention, ruled the universe. Works like Robert Chambers' Vestiges of the Natural History of Creation in 1840 for suggested life developed gradually through natural processes. This alarmed conservatives who thought it challenged moral and social stability. They feared it would undermine religious authority and traditional values. Scientifically, Darwin's theory introduced natural selection as the way species change. But at the time, scientists did not understand how traits were inherited. Gregor Mendel's work on genetics was not rediscovered until decades later. Without knowing how traits passed from one generation to the next, many scientists doubted how evolution could work. They saw the lack of a clear mechanism as a reason to be skeptical. In summary, early resistance came from many angles. People believed species were fixed because of scientific ideas and fossil evidence. Religious views saw evolution as a challenge to divine creation. The association with radical ideas and social change made some wary. And the scientific community lacked understanding of heredity, which made the idea seem uncertain. Over time, as evidence grew and genetics was understood, acceptance of evolution increased. This history shows how new ideas often face hurdles rooted in existing beliefs and knowledge.